Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my crafts channel. On this channel I will publish video content on a variety of woodworking subjects, projects, shop jigs, materials, tips, tricks, and caveats. I provide links in my video descriptions to products and materials and my hand sketch plans. Someday I'll learn how to use SketchUp for bigger projects. For small projects I just make a quick sketch by hand, and I do try to make them legible and easy to follow. Now, the purpose of my channel is to provide useful tips and information to fellow craftspersons and how-to tips for my customers who buy my crafts and products. Now, if you see an item you want to get in my videos, I will often have links to find them in the video description. Now, I love getting tips, tricks, and information from my viewers in the comments that they leave. I appreciate the feedback from everyone. I learn a lot from my viewers and I get a lot of great ideas from you. I am interested in what you want to see. Now, some of my older videos may seem a bit jerky as I sometimes edited out audio, but the video is not fluid with it. It came out pretty choppy. I'm trying to be better. I don't have a production crew, editing staff, or a studio. I'm just a one-man show in my garage trying to be a little better. So please look through my playlist and enjoy. And please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. Enjoy your crafts, woodworking, and most of all, have fun. Thank you.